Hi, I am Nikhil. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the change connection feature available in the pgAdmin's query tool. Using this feature, you can connect to any database on the server list in the pgAdmin's browser tree from the existing query tool session, allowing you to quickly switch between the databases without having to open multiple query tool tabs. So let's start it. Open the pgAdmin, connect to any database. For now, I am connecting to pg13 using the Postgres as a username. So now select the database and open the query tool. Here you can see it is connected to the Postgres database using the Postgres user. So let's try some query. Here I have already written one query which will fetch the current database and the user. So let's execute it. Now you can see it is showing the username as a Postgres and database as a Postgres. Here you can see in the new connection drop down there is one option, new connections. Select the new connection option to create the new connection. Here in servers you can see the list of all the servers present in the browser tree. If you select the server that is not connected in the browser tree, it will ask for the password if needed. For now I am selecting pg13 only. In database you can see the list of all the database in the present server. Now it is showing HR records and Postgres as there are only two databases present, HR records and Postgres. Users. You can see list of all the users in the selected server. If you change the user from the user dropdown, you need to authenticate that user before creating the new connection, as different users have different passwords. Roles. You can see list of all the roles in the selected server. For this example, let's select database HR records. I will keep the user Postgres as it is. Now click on the save button. It will show the warning alert notify the user changing connection will lose all your unsaved changes from an earlier connection. You can click on no button if you want to cancel the new connection. Click on the yes will create new connection and you can perform the operation on the newly created connection. So click on yes. Now in the connection dropdown you can see now it is connected to the HR records and Postgres as a user. So let's check the same query. Now in result you can see the user is Postgres and database is HR records. In new connection dropdown you can see the previous connection which is connected to the Postgres database using the Postgres user. You can simply click on this to select the previous connection. If you re-execute this query, now you can see it is connected to the Postgres database using the Postgres user. By selecting option from this dropdown, you can simply switch between the connections. Now let's try connecting with some another database server. So I'm going to connect to the Postgres 12. As it is not already connected in the browser tree, it is asking me to enter the password. Now it will load all the databases from the Postgres 12. Here I have only one database named Postgres. I will keep the user as a Postgres only and click on save. Again it will ask me to confirm if I want to change the connection or not. I will say yes. So now it is connected to the Postgres database using Postgres user to the Postgres 12. Similarly, you can use the new connection to connect with a different database from the same server, or you can simply connect to the any other server. That's it. Thank you.